Japanese choose to have it short and small. Smaller equipment tends to be less expensive both to purchase and to operate. Given the relatively small scale of many Japanese farms, the investment in smaller, more cost-effective machinery can be a more economically viable option for farmers. The average farm size in Japan is relatively small compared to those in countries like the United States or Australia. This is due to the limited availability of arable land in Japan, where mountainous terrain dominates much of the landscape. Smaller, more compact equipment is better suited to these smaller plots of land, allowing for easier maneuverability and efficiency in tight spaces. Japanese farming practices have historically been centered around intensive, laborious methods that focus on maximizing yield from limited land resources. Smaller equipment fits into these practices by allowing for precision farming, which is essential for the high-quality produce Japan is known for, including rice, vegetables, and fruits. The rural infrastructure in Japan, including roadways and farm storage facilities, often accommodates smaller equipment better. Larger machinery would not only be more difficult to transport, but also harder to store in the limited space available on many Japanese farms.